Understanding combat scenes in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, focusing on combat scenes. This phrase is common in movies, books, and sometimes in daily conversations. Understanding its meaning and usage can enrich your English learning journey. So, let's get started. Combat scenes refer to sequences in movies, books, or stories where characters are involved in physical fights or battles. These scenes are often intense, depicting struggles between opposing forces. They can be hand-to-hand fights, battles with weapons, or even large-scale warfare. Understanding this phrase helps you better grasp the context in stories or conversations about action and conflict. Let's look at some examples. In movies like The Lord of the Rings or Gladiator, combat scenes are central to the plot. They show characters fighting for survival, justice, or honor. In books, authors describe these scenes to create tension and excitement. For instance, J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series contains many combat scenes that are pivotal to the story. While combat scenes primarily relate to fiction, the phrase can be used metaphorically in everyday language. For example, someone might say, "The debate turned into a verbal combat scene," suggesting a heated and confrontational discussion. Recognizing this usage helps in understanding the nuances of English expressions. When you read or hear about combat scenes, imagine the setting, the characters involved, and the intensity of the action. This mental visualization can enhance your comprehension and enjoyment of the story being told. It's a great way to engage with English literature and films. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of combat scenes in English. Whether you're watching a movie, reading a book, or engaging in conversation, understanding this phrase will enhance your appreciation of the language. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.